Wallpaper Maybeck Grasscloth green. It's removable. It's 18 feet by 20 and a half by 2 inches. It's not just for walls, but it's for flat surfaces such as furniture, stairs, and more. So you can use this to put into your drawers. Or you can use it as wallpaper. It is a peel, stick, smooth, and trim. They require a measuring tape, a leveler, a L shape, and the retractable knife to be able to cut. So I'm going to follow the procedure. It says how many packages will be needed. If you got an 8-foot ceiling, it just takes 1 package. And if it's 8 feet ceiling, then it's 2 packages, and on and on. And check out the texture of it. It's smooth. It's just like a vinyl, but it's pretty thick wallpaper. We're gonna put it together. We'll be back. Okay, I cleared off the wall. I'm gonna wipe the wall down, let the wall dry, and then I'm going to get ahead and put on the wallpaper. Okay, I completed one side of the wallpaper and it went on nice and smooth. And it started from the top, came down to the bottom. It was pretty easy to put on and it's staying up. So let's design the wall. I left the space in the middle and I decided to design the other half of the wall, and this is how it came out. This is my whole wall designed, and look how pretty. If you want more information about the wallpaper, look in my description below this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit,